This is a 1950 Royal Companion typewriter. It has been fully refurbished and it is ready to type. This is the 1950 Royal Companion. This is the budget version of the Royal Quiet Deluxe. It has the same nice glass keys. And the same typing action as the Quiet Deluxe. They just removed some of the convenience features to make it more affordable. For example, it doesn't have the bicolor. There's no red and no tab. The finish on this is in really good shape. It's got some spots right here. Maybe a few other really small blemishes, but it's in pretty nice shape. Has new rubber feet on it. The reprinted user's manual that I'm including for this is actually for the Royal Quiet Deluxe. I couldn't find one for the Companion, but the Quiet Deluxe is very similar. It just has more features. The original case is in fair condition. It's been cleaned and it's solid and it latches well, but it does look its age. Got some spots on it. Some wear there. There's a bare spot there where the wood's showing through on the corner. I don't have a key for it. That's for the 1950 Royal Companion typewriter.